Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Cardano. The ticker's ADA versus USDT. So right now, Cardano is doing really well. It's painted really strong last 3 weeks, basically. And we're going into this fourth week relatively strong as well. This particular candlestick formation here is called Three White Soldiers, okay? It's not 100%. I think there's something like, off the top of my head, from my history when I've been researching, I'm not entirely sure, to be honest with you. It could be something like there's a 78% chance that it is a trend reversal, basically, when you see three white soldiers like that, okay? Big body candles that close and open higher than the other. You've got a confirmation of a reversal of a trend, because obviously you're fully aware you've had this corrective pattern down here where you've entered a bit of a downtrend and come down to a key level support. And right now, you know, I'm not saying that it's going to take off into space. This particular three white soldiers is just a confirmation of the bias that the selling pressure is running out and you're starting to reverse. But in the process, you are obviously, as you're fully aware, you're going to come up impulsive, retrace, repulsive, repulsive, nothing repulsive about charting, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, you know, retracement and all that business that I've taught you, okay? So this particular candlestick formation here is very bullish indeed, and Ethereum is printing it as well. So we're starting to see some beautiful signals across the board here, and to couple that, you know, all the bear market callers said that Bitcoin would crash into the 200-day moving average, and it's melted for it. And obviously you got the big buy signal that I've shown you on the hash ribbon for Bitcoin that was printed yesterday. So it's a big thumbs up for continuation, and this is what we've been looking for in the market right now. And so far so good. We're getting that. Obviously, you know, you're fully aware that we could still have a dead cat bounce. That is still a scenario, so I'm going to be fully transparent with you, not going to feed you any bullshit. And right now, if you do start to see Cardano come down lower than this particular foundation of support, that's your bear, okay? But so far we're going to project up, because at the minute we're only looking at projections up because they're the paintings, they're the signals that are being painted. There's no signals being painted to projective downside here for Cardano. It's holding key levels of support. You've got your three white soldiers. You're breaking out of a W bottom right here for Cardano, okay, which we will show you in a moment. But so far so good, and I do anticipate that this is the next impulsive wave up to $4.23, where you're going to have a little retracement and then you're going to pull back, okay? So you're going to come up, get through these levels of resistance, hopefully break this high, look at the retrace, impulsive wave up, retrace, continuation, okay? So far so good. We're looking fantastic for continuation, you know. And essentially, like I said to you in Elliott wave theory as well, you know, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5, that overextension there, the latter part of the bull run for Cardano. So as well, you know, to back that up, you've got the RSI just in a beautiful level, which is where the base of this, let me drop a horizontal line in there, okay? So to drop horizontal lines in your chart, just press Alt H and boom, there you go. So you can see that Cardano, like a lot of crypto projects, has bounced off this particular trend line, because look, you've got your wave 1 high just there in the RSI, look, your wave 1 high, your wave 2 pullback, you bounced off a key level support, you sort of went up and then came back to it and held its support. You know, we could go through a very similar scenario here for Cardano, where we come up and roll back and hold support, you know, and everyone will be shitting themselves. We are entering a bear market, but as long as we adhere to these structural supports and these trend lines, we're looking good, okay? We're looking good, unless we lose that low there. We lose that low there, that $1, your bear market right there. That's your bear market, big tick to a bear market. And I'll always tell you what I see. I'm making you aware of the possibilities, okay? This is what I do. So yeah, you bounced off a trend line just there, you know, you're looking beautiful for continuation. You've got your three white soldiers, you're breaking out of key level resistance. Your stock RSI, like I said to you, doesn't hang around down here for too long, okay, in an impulsive wave to the upside. And that's how it all works. Waveforms, boom, 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 boom. So right now we're anticipating wave 5 to the upside, and I do anticipate, you know, that if you do start to see Cardano come up now on the RSI to that level there at 96, that is a take profit margin area, not financial advice, and do what you want, but we'll discuss that when it comes to it. But you know, that's overbought basically. So yeah, it's looking good. What we're going to do right now is jump into the daily time frame and see what we can see for Cardano, okay? So on the daily, as you're fully aware, we've got this particular pattern that we've been watching closely for Cardano for a while now. You've got this big W bottom, big W double bottom, should I say. And right now you've got this key level of resistance just there, and you've had 2 daily closes above it. Okay, so that's good that you're getting a close above that. Well, you got the close just there, you got the open yesterday morning, and then you got pushed down, but right today you've opened it and you're starting to pick up again. So if we can start to see ourselves break above this level of resistance and start to close out above $1.60, $1.46, this is where you're going to see yourself come up, hold it, back test of support, and you're going to be looking at a break to 185. That's your technical target, okay? And with that, you're getting above a 0.50, you're getting above the golden ratio, and you're looking very, very good to create a big, beautiful reversal wave here. And once you get the break of that high, that's your confirmation of getting to $4.23 for Cardano, okay? So that's what we're looking at projectively, you know, unless we start to roll over here and lose these EMAs and start to roll over and capitulate. That's your bear market. If you lose that, like I say, people, why do you talk about the bear market? Because I'm telling you, I've got to be honest with you, if you lose that support here, if you lose that you've created for yourself, that's bear market, because you're losing market structure of this corrective wave that you're going through, okay? So you've got beautiful upside targets, and we're on our way, basically, but it's not going to be an easy ride. It's going to be a long, bumpy ride, and that's the way it works, okay? Even down here, in this particular correction for Cardano, way down there, look how deep ago that was. You know, in this scenario here, we actually did come up and we formed a lovely bullish cross, got overextended, then we rolled back, we held a key level of support, you know, we didn't lose the low, basically, and right there people have been, oh shit, it's going into a bear market. But as long as you don't lose the low that you created for yourself, you're still good. So yeah, you could go through something like this. You rolled over like that, you created a death cross just there, sell and go to the beach, created a low, picking up, yeah, great, wow, we're going to the moon. Created a bullish cross. It's awesome. Then we have one little capitulation event, one little rollover, created a lovely double bottom, which is a higher low than that, okay, and that's where we continued. So who knows, we could go through something very similar here for Cardano, but it is showing strength to do that, okay? It's showing strength for the pickup right now, so it's looking good. So again, you've got almost right here, look at this, the formation of a bullish cross on the daily time frame, so close. Now if you get this signal right here, this is great for Cardano, but what I would like to see obviously is carry out this extension here, this pattern that's in play, the WW bottom, okay, break this level of resistance, create the bullish cross, get a little bit overextended on an impulsive wave, come back down and hold this particular cross of support, because that is your technical target of this WW bottom, okay? This heinous correction that you've gone through for Cardano is relatively over at the minute, providing we can break these levels of resistance and come up here at $1.85. It's looking really good, okay? Really good. I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not going to feed you no bullshit, but it is looking really good. You know, Bitcoin is doing some marvelous stuff at the moment, Ethereum is doing some marvelous stuff, and if we break up here and we break out of that level of resistance and we retain this structure of this golden cross, you've got a technical target which brings you above all these resistance levels to create this reversal wave, and it's a see you later alligator moment, okay? And we're on our way to $4.32 in this bull market, and all the people that said that this is a bear market are noobs. I keep saying that in today's videos. Take care, everyone. Obviously, you know, if you do lose that, you're in a bear market. That's a bear market right there, okay? Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.